Okay, here's how I'd go about creating that vase. I'll try and use two methods just to show you that there are two ways of doing it. Basically, with the shape tool or the shape editor tool, I've just created this thing, shape. I'll remake it so you can see it again. Click there, and I like drawing with lines. Click along like that. I'll delete the original one. So that's how I start the shape off. I then select those nodes, and at the moment they're cusp joins. Give them smooth joins, and you get quite a good vase shape then. Next thing you want to do is you want to be able to flip it. So the thing is, if it's like that at the moment, it will flip across on, say, if you set the origin to the right hand side, when you flipped it, you would have a big space on the top, as you can see. So the way to alleviate that, as I said in the earlier video that I did, is just to run down so that covers both ends of the line. Shift control that, so I've got two objects: arrange, combine shapes, subtract shapes. Now I've got that vase shape that I want. I want to make sure that the lines are butt cap. Then I go Control K to clone that shape. I set the origin position on this little 9 squared thing to the center right, and just hit the flip horizontally. I've now got two shapes that you can make into one shape, and there are two ways to do this. So what I'll do is Control Clone that again, just to make that bigger. Sorry. Right, you've got that, and if you go into the shape tool, you can't see it, but you know that there's nodes overlapping there, and if you grab hold of them, you can then bang them back, and as you don't really want that, you can delete that node. This one you might want to, again, there's the node, where a node's on a node, they get lost, so you can delete that node as well if you want. You can then pull that bottom down a bit, like that, and therefore you've got one shape, green, and no colour. The other way to do it is to select these two, and you've got two lines. You can go arrange, convert line to shape, arrange, combine shapes, add shapes. And you then go arrange, break shapes. You end up with two shapes. 1, 2. You can delete one or the other. I think I'll delete this one. Whoops, sorry. I'll delete that one. Zoom. So that's the way, two ways you've got of creating that shape. So I'll delete that one now and just work on this one. The other thing is, if you wanted a rounded top on yours, so if you go along, zoom into there, go to your ellipse tool, and just drag out like that. Go down to wire. With that ellipse selected, select the vase as well. Go arrange, alignment, and click center a line like that, apply. That'll ensure that the ellipse is lined up exactly in the center of that other one. You could, if you wanted to go down a bit further, and just bring that up there a bit, then holding down the shift key. When you hold down the shift key, if we pull out this end here, it automatically pulls out the other end. Let's just go to the previous zoom. And if I zoom into there, it's also pulled that out as well. So let's go 100%. That's your fill there. You might want to drag, again, holding down the shift key, drag that down to give it a bit more width on the top. 100%. Back there again. You can give it a transparent fill, but it will change colours if you're using it as a PNG when you put it on different levels. So I'm just going to give this a circular fill. I'll give it an elliptical fill. Just fill it like that. Now to get this top here, I'm going to go up here. I'm just going to Control C to copy that to the clipboard. So I've got a copy of it on the clipboard, and I'm going to give this a fill now. I want it to be green, and I want it to be a darker green here. So I'll come down. That gives it the darker shadow inside the bowl. I can then go Control Shift V to paste that copy on there. I'll give that an outline of black and no fill. I'll make it 0.5, arrange, convert line to shape, and I can give that a darker shade there. And if we go out, zoom out to 100%, you can see you've got the shallowy bit, the bit of shading there. Anyway, I hope that helped you. This is Egg. All the best. Bye.